The KD200 was the opening act, but HMX and 80 Retros just dropped the main feature. This is the KD400. Let's see if the new Clack King lives up to the hype. Comes in this nice box, pre-travel 2.0, total travel 3.5, M1 stem, modified PA12, and 3 bottom. Nice little box. They come in these film containers. Very nice. Very nice. All right, we're going to run these up against the Wave, my current hot switch. I think they're just very similar to Gleams. I haven't actually run the Gleams. We'll do that in the... we'll take care of that in the roundup at the end. I'm also thinking of doing a round-robin tournament style, so let me know in the description below if that's something that might be kind of fun. I'm thinking like maybe 8 of these 2026 bangers. We'll run like brackets, 4 on each side, and then the semifinals, and then the finals. Completely blind in all rounds. Everyone just votes via polling, and we'll see what we end up with, which one might take the crown. I think that might be kind of fun. Leave a message in the comments, and we'll see what's going on. All right, so here come the sound tests. How banger is this switch? If you like these back-to-backs and all these banger switches, hit that like button. Hit the super thanks if you really like it. These switches are on fire in 2026. These KD400s follow the same path, slamming. They're almost the same tone as the Waves, which is probably my new favorite. I have to run these against the Gleams back-to-back to really test, but these Waves are very, very strong. Both of these share the same tone. The Waves are slightly louder in volumes. You can hear it in the back-to-back. These are quieter. Same tone, just as clean. Excellent. These are a buy. If you want something a tiny bit quieter than the Waves are louder. Big shout out to Unikeys for sending these out to me. Beating the Chinese New Year, I'm able to get all these out to you guys, so you guys know what to buy for the next batch. I know they're all banger. It's hard to decide. I'm going to run some kind of roundup for them, where you guys can see them all together, and then we'll just comment on the subtleties between them. Let me know what you think about the round robin tournament I'm thinking of doing with the random seedings, and then we're going to do the polling and see who ends up on top. I think that'll be a lot of fun. All right. Until the next one, peace out.